didn't see you guys though. Hey, so today we are going to learn how to use this air compressor. It's a beautiful machine, pretty simple. Got your plastic covers that cover the piston. Basically what happens is the piston slides up and down, pulls down air, pushes it up, which compresses it, and then goes into your tank. Then you have your valve system, you have your gauges that show you how much pressure you got. So what you want to do is you want to grab your wire, and then you plug it in. Then you turn it on, okay? And then you want to grab your hose, and then take it apart. Here, Mr. Cameraman, can you hold this for me? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Then, actually, can I have the other side, please?
Yeah.
Good. Then, you're gonna plug it in, like just so. Okay. And then what you do, make sure the kill switch is off. Release much pressure. It's a pressure valve. Turn her on! I forgot how to turn this thing on.
No.
You turn her on.
As that's going, you want to watch your valve. Make sure you don't overpressurize it. So, see the valve. We about got 20 in it right now. And you got to wait till it goes to 50. That's pretty good for your pneumatic tools.
After it's all pressured up and everything, I'm gonna grab your nail gun. And this is a demonstration on how to connect a nail gun. So you want to grab your other side, right? Pull back, just put her in. Simple like that. Whatever you want to do, make sure there's nothing in it. If you're not gonna use it, but if you are, duh, you know. But yeah, this is how you use it. Put her to the ground, hold throttle. As you can see, there's not enough pressure. Alright guys, that's how you use a compressor. I'll see you on another day.